Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to delete Facebook page. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to delete your Facebook page, first thing, make sure that you've updated your Facebook application to the latest version. And without any further delay, let's get started. So then logged into your Facebook account, and once you're logged into your Facebook account, in the top right corner, you'll be able to see a try bar icon. Click on it. As you click on the try bar icon on the other side, you'll be able to see a menu page. Under it, there are a list of options. So from there, you need to click on pages. As you click on it, you'll be able to see all the pages that you currently hold. In order to delete your page, first thing you need to do is select a particular page that you want to delete. As you select it, you'll be directed to the official site and you'll be able to see the info about the page. And right on top, you'll be able to see a more icon. Just click on it. As you click on more, once again you'll have a list of options, and under page control you need to click on edit page, and you'll redirect to the page where you'll be able to see a list of options once again. And right at the bottom there's an option as settings. Click on it. Under settings there are a list of options, so right on top you have an option as general. You need to click on it. As you click on general, on the other interface you'll be able to see all the information regarding your page, and right in between there will be an option as delete. You need to make sure to go through the above statement and then click on delete. And for the confirmation, you'll be asked twice, so you need to click on delete page if you're sure about it, since you're deleting your page. So you need to type in your password for the confirmation, and then you've successfully deleted or removed your Facebook page. So that is how you can delete your Facebook page. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.